is when the moments turn to memories, and this is when the future gets so clear to see, and this is when tonight becomes a masterpiece, and this is when the moments turn to memories, memories.
Ay, inang! Garnay po pala sa barko ang pakiramdam. Ako nahihilo. First time ko pong sumakay ng turbojet. Nakakahilo pala.
Deep breath in and I come alive. It's a feeling I remember for the rest of my life.
Guys! Ang ganda ng Macau.